Straightening? Color? Curling? Is damage building up in your hair? Just pause. And reverse the
Hello,
signs of
Ma'am
damage.
Jean of Lisbayan.
Ceramide
Good
Intense Repair
evening.
with bioprotein care that penetrates hair strands. Reverses the signs of damage for up to 10 times stronger and smooth hair.
Thank you so
Just pause,
much.
reverse, and hit play. Dove Ceramide Intense Repair.
Today, let's make our own version of tuna bibimbap using San Marino corn tuna
Ay, okay, ma'am.
fish snack.
Thank you. Thank you sa pagtambay.
Mag-switch na sa San Marino corn tuna.
Okay pa kaya? Lahat kailangan pa i-shake.
Mami, no problem. Mag-Tempra No Shake formula ka. Laging consistent ang dose kaya no worries. No Shake. Ang galing na Tempra. Supports faster brain connections for faster learning.
Good evening, everyone. Ma'am Jean, good evening.
Nasa may ebidensya na gawin. Pagkakatawa na kita ng sa temptation po. Pagkakatawa ko yan sa mga bataan. Ano hindi mo sino papakalat? Opo, Mayor. Hindi kayo ng bago. Sa akin mo lang yung tao mo. Ayaw mo makalakas ko.
Playing Ma'am Jane of Lisbayan and Ma'am Jean TV Mix.
Maraming salamat po. Muna po kami ngayon. Salamat po.
Lee Song Sun TV, good evening. How are you? Lee Song Sun TV playing. Ma'am Lisa Vlog, good evening. Hello sis. Good evening. Bill Mix TV, good evening.
is pure, love is absolute. Every Filipino deserves the justice they're not there.
Playing Boss Bell. Ay, bakit nasa live ako ni mo, boss? Dito ako sa playlist. Dito ako sa chicken adobo with potatoes. Tuyok-tuyok lang ah.
Hindi naman po ako eh. Kumain ng sarili ko yun. Kaya po nagdala sa akin sa tamang oras na tamang pagkakas. Mother, ito na po ako dito para magpapaalam po sana sa inyo. Magpapain po kasi ako ngayon ng kandidacy dahil tatakbo po kasi ako ng mayor dito sa Maynila. Kaya po ang iniisip ko ba agad? Hindi ko po kasi alam kung tama ang gagawin ko. Alam ko po marami akong mga nagawang mga kasalanan. Hindi ko po alam kung nararapat ko tumakbo.
Walang tao na perfecto. Tayo nagkakamali. Tayo nagkakasala. Pero naman sa William Tarsus,
Hindi po.
siya ay isang masamang tao. Siya ay mamamatay tao. Siya si San Pablo. pati parang
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga sinabi niyo sa akin. Kahit na paano ko naliwanagan po at umaako pakiramdam. Siguro na po, tama ko kayo. Alam ko po meron ng mga pag-aalit na mas
Playing Ma'am Jean.
pero gusto ko lang po sabihin sa inyo pa yan. Tatakbo po ako. Dahil gusto ko makatulong sa kapwa ko. At paging maayos po ang mahihinga.
ng Diyos.
Ma'am Jean TV Mix.
Sigurado ko, nagabayan ka na kung nasa rin. Wala namang pinapanigan ng tumahan sa politika. Pero, wala lang.
Harang agad, Ma'am Jean.
Masaya ka?
Ay hihinga po sana ako sa inyo. Maaari po sana ipagdasal niyo.
Si Ninong Ray. Ninong Ray pala, Ninong Ray.
Kaya na po sana bahala sa akin.
Dito na muna ako sa iba. Hello, Ma'am Jean of Lisbayan. Mag-play ako ulit sa iyo, Ma'am Jane of Lisbayan, ma'am. Natapos ko na kanina yung liko-liko yung daan.
Balik sa reno. Nandito po ako kasi kumalaman.
At saka yung sa buhol.
Sa aking desisyon tumakbo bilang isang mayor. Hindi ko po alam kung tama ang aking naging desisyon. Pero kung hindi ko gagawin ito, sino ang maglalakas po para lumaban sa mga gerero? Para mapahintula ang lahat ng kanilang mga kasamaan at iligal na gawain. Alam ko kung marami akong nagawang mga kasalanan. Pero sa pagkakataong ito, gusto ko po sana ituwid ang lahat ng mga yun. Nang makagawa mo po ako ng kabutihan para sa aking mga kababayan. Sana po, gabayan po niyo ako. At tulungan niyo ako. Dahil alam ko kung hindi ko kakayanin mag-isa to, bigyan niyo po sana ako ng mga taong makakasama para matupad ko ang aking kahangarin na kabutihan para sa aking mga kababayan. Panginoon, kayo lang po ang makakatulong sa akin. Huwag mo sana akong pabayaan. Samahan niyo po sana ako sa laban kong ito.
This is the last time you see each other.
Alam mo na kung ano ang kano.
Mananalo kaya sa pagka-vice mayor, etong si Mayor Roberto Guerrero laban dito sa bubuhay sa politika na mas kilala bilang Tanggol.
Mananalo kami dahil sa walan ng mga tao.
Kung sabihin sa akin, ito rin kapag namin, sa global,
Wala na kayong ginawa dito. Hindi po kawalan yan at nahirapan mga tao.
siguradong tatanungin namin.
Nakalimutan ko na sabihin sa'yo, ako na ang makakalaban.
Everyone, natatakbo mayor ay ang naging bayani ng sunog sa Rosado, si Tanggol Montenegro.
7 out of 8 from the free throw line. Big time game for Johnny Winston. But for the San Miguel Beermen, as per usual, they're dominating the boards here. Barlow Leandor can't score this one. There's a big body. Weaver Fajardo down low. Combining with both Altuve dominating that category for the San Miguel Beermen. And they have inch closer to just 2 points here to start the fourth and final quarter. 13-3 offensive rebounding for San Miguel. That's in the first 2 quarters. Second chance scoring. 9-0. Just in the first 2 quarters. That was been a big ticket for Joe Fajardo. Without Paul San Miguel getting back into the game. Take a look at our quarter score here. 31-17 left the number, especially in that third quarter. They've got the Beermen within 2. That's a 3. Rosales takes the lead. And once again, a pass. A shot down on the pass. I saw that earlier from the opposite corner. Assist now from Jericho Cruz. I think it's a big given. Out of that by 1. First takes up the lead for San Miguel. The shooters of San Miguel lying here in the second half. Santos picks it up. Balky has to go. Shoots the 3. Can't get it. Great defense by the Beermen. And who said that San Miguel is a 1-8 team? Putting us why they are the winningest franchise in the PGA. Jericho Cruz. Again, a shot coming on the pass. The 3-point play has opened for the San Miguel Beermen. There was a whistle as Rocky broke the out down on the floor. As he came up with Roland Santos. He was taking a tip there for a bridge. Well, big boy bombarded by 3 balls left and right. Rocky start here for the Beermen. 2 3-pointers. Possibly an end one. 4-4. Depending on what happens on the ball. The Beermen have responded. Physicality is controlled. Like a birch. The first 2 quarters. Oh, there's the elbow by Santos. Good set by Rodian. Right there next to Pedro. Following Santos. Yes, so the foul game simultaneous the 3-point conversion. So they need the rebounders. It's gonna be another equal. If you're a good virtual, minutes right now without rebounding, you have to well win. But right now, the shooters of San Miguel must make everything to get them a 4-point lead. Their offense has been severely affected. Or their defense has been severely affected by the fidget offense that has happened to them in the last quarter. Well, the later will be in quarter 4. Not the good 3, not the shot you're going to look for. As the ball is there to find the Xers who call second round shot. But now the Beermen are playing like the find their Xers played it defensively in the first 2 quarters. It was all about effort. San Miguel went all the effort that they needed to rally and take the lead away from the fighting Xers. They match the physicality right now, but the Xers in the first half dropped it off. Bad play. Coming forward to converge, CJ Perez. Attacking, CJ kicks it out. Cruz. Saltua. Got that beat at the bite. CJ inside. Ball sitting around here. Noel shoots it. Noel makes it! And San Miguel is 5 of 9 from the 3 ball. In quarter 3 now, they are 3 of 3. Still in the 4th. Good answer here by Santos. They needed that more than ever. If you're the bird, you should have put your head down right now. You're still within 6. But San Miguel is with draining 3s right one after the other. Rosales. He checked goal. Rebound by Stockton. Stockton attacking Cruz. Spins. That's going to get fouled as well. Cruz. 2 free throws coming here. For the bird. Cruz and Stockton. Nothing extra there. But remember, the change in the game of They already gave up 33 pointers to start the first quarter. The fourth quarter, sorry. That's right, San Miguel already scored 1.1 points versus 4 for the bridge. Now TJ Bennett now seeing the floor. Baskets that San Miguel has converted. And that lanes are wide open for CJ Bennett to keep up. Now Juma Fajardo checks in the ball game with his team up by 6. And Roberts continues right now for the bridge. 2 points and the rest of almost 3 minutes. And they lost those 3 minutes. 4 against 4. Oh, he gets fouled by Jennifer Cruz. At the 14 foul line. That's a weird one. This is how the bridge came back in the ball game. This is another free throw after going 2 out of 2 earlier. We have a 5 now for Adam Stockton. 1 out of 10 from the field. This is Cole. Appears to be uncomfortable with the shooting stroke right now. Looks shaky. Right now, probably plays with a lot of grit and superior confidence. CJ, this goes by Custom Baltazar. Defensive breakdown for the White Shirts. More than the offense, it's been the defensive missteps that has happened to them. The last quarter, only here to open up the ball. Stockton. Oh, gets the bendy roll. Top shot. It's a 6-point game here. The Bearding. TJ Bennett coming. Blood right now. Both of two have been on fire from the outside. And again, get that ball to Zubman Fajardo. Then they move the basketball and find the shooters from the weak side. Third 3 for Big Noah, and Alex Stockton is just shooting. And missing again. TJ Bennett. CJ. This time misses. Oh, TJ's down. Dustin gets fouled. Gets the basket. Will shoot 2. Oh, CJ's down hard. He's holding on to his right rim. That was a good for CJ Bennett. And CJ is someone who rarely stays down for a while. So they're thinking about something here. CJ now. He's standing up. Just in the hot, I went to the free throw line for Henry Ward. But needed basket for Converge. Well, a big turnaround. Converge was ahead. 17, 47, 30. 18 was their biggest lead. Wow. In this ball game. A big lead. Yeah, it's kind of. See what happens here. TJ Bennett. If you were to get hurt on the last play, not too sure on that from that angle. Let's say Atlanta will shoot a free throw. against Mo. They go to JL. De Los Santos for three. Oh. Rebound goes to Baltazar. Inside. Arana. Has it against Altura. Jumps in. Oh. Too easy for her. I look at Arana and a big goal to fall to the floor. Converge asking for a block. That breaks his stop. It's a one possession game right now for San Miguel. It's a slap shot. Good job right now. There's the offense. Altura against Baltazar. Takes it out. They go back in. Tommy gets it. Tommy wins it. Dumps it off. Arana. What's it? Oh! Slips. Stockton is there. He gets off level tackle. San Miguel has gone for that pass down. The big penalty. A wide open shot. The slip for his hands. San Miguel made it one touchdown. It's a game that's still down there in the fourth. Because of the free throws. At the same time, shooting foul again. Take that shots on. Stockton takes it away from Gonzalez. They're shooting, but so he's no foul. So it's just a 4-point game here. And San Miguel right now is in the penalty with 5 fouls already. The game stakes here in the fourth quarter. Tommy Wilson has done a good job defensively in the fourth. Shoots over. Oh, gets it over to the Cruz. Instead was a little off the control earlier in the third. Now Stevie takes up. James Cameron still playing Wilson. A 2-point game. Bobby now in the game again. Lowell has been big. Oh, great defense by Bobby. No one less tired. But not fair to the strategy of getting that ball in the hands of Gilbert Chicago. Looking for Winston. some were able to play really well with the back. That's one. Only the national party. That's the case to say. Even the one in the national party was the one who shoots a blue. Nice to ball game. That's right side again. It's Lassie Thompson. Unafraid of the ball. And good pass looking for Lassie Thompson. That's the release pass from the first step. Here's fourth and word.
First off, he called out the lack of ball movement that causes turnovers and also allowed Converge to run and make stops. In these crucial minutes, he wants the Beardmen to keep track of the ball more and not attack late tactically, especially when Converge defense is already settling in. Back to the captain.
Assist left up in that third quarter. 6 only in the first 24 minutes. 10 in the third. 2-1. At the back top. Castellana fires to Marshall. Marshall couldn't catch it cleanly. Jumar is there again. Jumar, he gets fouled. This is the value of keeping Jumar behind or fresh. In the early days of San Miguel. Now it needs to dominate. He has the energy and the freshness to be able to do so. Because this is unleashing the Kraken for that receiver. Shooting foul, so they have to run and play again. CJ is going to leave it. They go back to Fajardo. Take it out to Perez. Perez for 4. Oh, just the 4. Wow. Struggled all night long. CJ Perez, 5 of 14 from the 4-point line. Heading into this game, that's a big one. This is reminiscent of that 40 hit against Rio Rashani last game. Shani, bang! Wow. What more can I say? I think Pfizer no doubt. 3 minutes coming from a 4-point conversion to a 3-point response from the other end. CJ steps back. No, Jumar just gets it. He gets one. And they will shoot 2. I'll say this again and again. The best of the post player. The best post player. But Bird is going to challenge him. So I'm waiting for San Miguel though. Over the limit, the Bird just taking fouls. Wow. Taking fouls. These are the 2 teams that are already in the postseason. Big implications for these 2 teams. Winner and a loss. You can once again Russo was and next up its game earlier against North Point. Finally, I'm going to sit on this one. Call in. This is a big one. Successful challenge. Jump ball between the Birch and the Beerman. After this world jump. It's gonna be or will it be Baltazar? Balti will jump with Sweetmark. Very simply this jump. Oh, the Birch wins the dip and what a triple down the stairs. That's a big one. That's a big one. Go to Sean. He's been the guy. Made a big three earlier. Attacks now. Johnny one more time. Sean Winston. Go ahead, stop Sean Winston. Rejecting the ball screen once again. Getting to that mid-range shot. Knocking it. Make typical basket. 1.8. 1.8 was down by the Eagles earlier. Now down by 4. The ball on the floor. Down to the foul off the Birch. He wants 5 points now for Sean. Oh, look at this move. Hit the range. Yes. Yeah, loses it. Sean gets it. Pops on the floor. Rubiel is there. But nothing but his arm fouls him. That's another go around. Right. If I may say so. It looked like that's what it was supposed to be. Now they're down from the floor. Over or something. Get one about the save. The double effort by Lester, especially from Dian. Now we know what we will do.
Apa kamu? Ah. Created by the post entry pass to the ground. 52 rebounds for Juwan Fajardo. Rubiel. Juice. Oh, no, I don't know. They will not be able to say, have to take a shot. Johnny hits it once again in this one. This time, Fajardo takes a turn at it. They do the defender against Johnny. Johnny is just going with everyone so far. Wide open, Minnesota, take that shot. Oh, shit! Six the triple. Fourth of the game. With a 5-0 run, a 3-point third and a layup. Hits the Birch, a 4-point lead. Bring up big triple. Dumar spins. Against the defense. Misses. Great defense by the Birch. Definitely, when there's no choice, they
wasn't the best shot blockers. Could have been easy. That's definitely not his arm. But we stopped. So he turned like a block like that in a while. Shawnee loses it. Baltazar out to Arana. Arana attacks Newbar. Look shot. No. Rebound. And the finish by Benedict. Maybe because that hit for the fiber experts. My goodness. Open. I think he can have it. Not being certain in this game. What an answer by Converge. Despite winning the board by closing two possessions. First, this excellent decision to reverse the basketball. One pass back. To the Santos. To the goalkeeper that is safe. And then this one. Canavipio, right place, right time, unmolested. Equivalent to a 6-goal lead. Big year for Converge. Last game it was Team Canavipio. Look at the reaction of Bobby Chapson. I don't think that was the thing to happen. But Dr. Yano going cross into the wind, smashing the floor. Down 6. My goodness. Now just be first point of strong in this ball game. He's a lot of confidence. Steps back, shoots a 4. How long has he been sitting on the bench? Almost the entirety of the second half. That changes everything right now. It was a 6-point game. Suddenly now it's 2 and 7 minutes ago and they're breaking that score. So, then, over the half court, they 0-5 in the first half. But when it came up tonight, for now, that's it. 8-point point. Something else after that. Kind of situation though, if you're only a 30 remaining, the person of 2 goals. Also down on 4 against Raider Shine. Only has 4 right now. Ball game. That's Raider Shine. Two main fighters today. Ball game, yes. This one, playoff implications today as well. Yes, Magic Wednesday. Johnny, Jackie Ross gets away, goes to Arana. Justin, Shawnee. Shawnee. No. Chance for the Beer to fire, take the lead. Ross goes to Perez. Where will the Beermen go? One foul again. CJ, they want a 3. They're looking for a 3. CJ, loses it. 4 seconds on the shot clock.
Nakaslip na gid ko.
Shawnee gets it. Shawnee going it out today now. They have a points margin. There's going to be a foul. But they used up a lot of time with that one.
Whatever happens, San Miguel will still have a chance.
That's tricky. And a 4-point shot right there, which they just hit earlier. So converts out of it. Crucial free throws coming for De Los Santos. Oh, this is the first one. He's been an unsung hero here for the Verge.
I thought they shot that free throw too fast.
These free throws are very important right now for the Verge. Just one free throw. Santos makes it. This is the last timeout of the San Miguel Beermen. It's a 30-second timeout for the Beermen.
4 points to win, 3 points to tie. Wow, nothing less. Secure line.
And I wouldn't count out Dufar. He's pretty good shooting the three in situations like these.
We've seen him take it and make it. Participated in the 3-point shootout for the Knicks last year.
197 converts on the century mark. Will San Miguel win? Go for the win or go for the tie?
And the two losses of San Miguel, those were the only games that they scored. The other game that they won was 1989 against Memphis the first year. The game that they had lost under Andres.
I will look for Dufar to shoot a 3 here or a 4.
We are not included in the equation, remember. That's why we're here. Along the side.
I'm just theorizing in my head.
It's not a merry-go-round like what the visit.
2 4-pointers for the Beermen, none for Converge. Look, they have one more in them. Let's see this last play by Jose Austin. And the best shooter on the floor is Marco Lackner. That's a 3. Oh, and Converge escapes the San Miguel Beermen.
That's a good shot.
That's a great look for the San Miguel Beermen.
What a way to survive for the Verge. Showing maturity beyond this young years for them.
In losing 18-point leads, you give it up. Take over the shot by CJ Perez.
Was able to rise against the defender, although falling sideways. Not a good time. He's gonna get the ball.
Tayo mo.